Hello students, today we are discuss about first year chemistry lo environmental chemistry chapter lo 2 marks questions. ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి కంపల్సరీగా 2 marks questions 2 వస్తాయి. వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ డిఫైన్ COD అండ్ BOD. COD, the amount of oxygen required to oxidize organic substance present in polluted water is called COD. Next, BOD, the amount of oxygen used by microorganisms present in polluted water during 5 days at 20 degrees centigrade is called BOD. Next, second question, greenhouse effect is caused by dash and dash gases. Example, CO2, CH4, O3 and CFC. Next, third question, which oxide causes acid rains? What is its pH value? Oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, carbon with water to form acid rains. Acid rain pH is equal to 5.6. Next, name 2 adverse effect of acid rains. Damage the life of buildings, decrease the pH of soil, decrease the crops, respiratory problems in human beings and animals. Next, what is PAN? PAN is a peroxyethyl nitrate. It causes photochemical smog and PAN is a eye irritant. Next, TLV, the permissible level of toxic substance in atmosphere which affect in person adversely when he is exposed to this for 8 hours per day is called TLV. DO, the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is called DO. Next, what is ozone hole? Where was it first observed? Decrease the density of ozone layer is called ozone hole. Ozone hole first observed over the South Pole. Next, define sink and receptor. Sink, the medium which is retains and interact with pollutant is called sink. Example, trees and oceans. Next, pollutant, the medium which is affected by pollutant is called receptor. Example, traffic police. Next, define smoke and mist. Smoke consisting of mixture of solid and liquid particles by formed during combustion of organic substance is called smoke. Next, mist. Mist are produced by particles of spray liquids and condensation of water vapors in air. Next, pollutant and contaminant. Pollutant, the substance present in nature and caused pollution is called pollutant. Next, contaminant, the substance does not present in nature but released due to human activity and cause pollution is called contaminant. Next, what is green chemistry? The increasing of temperature of surface of earth due to CO2, CH4, ozone and CFC is called greenhouse effect. Next, green chemistry, the production of process of minimum pollution to environment is called green chemistry. Example, use of H2O2 instead of chlorine as bleaching agent. So these are the important questions of green environmental chemistry. Very very most important. సో 2-3 times ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ కనుక వింటే బాగా గుర్తుంటాయి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.